Hello gadget lovers, welcome to Wow Widgets. We bring you latest and old gadgets that helps you in your daily life, activities, save your time, make your life comfortable. Today I have brought another cool selection of amazing gadgets and products that will blow your mind. But before we start the video, make sure that you subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. Let's dive into the video. Master Dynamics True Wireless Earphones. Master Dynamics True Wireless Earphones comes with the handcrafted acetate noise cancelling technology with beryllium drivers, Bluetooth 5.0 and 40 hours long battery life and a steel charging case that will take your life to another level. JBL Pulse 4 Waterproof Bluetooth Speaker. JBL's Pulse 4 is an incredibly entertaining wireless waterproof speaker. It can not only blast the brand's signature sound but also deliver a 360-degree LED light show. You can customize the visual experience via a smartphone app. The speaker has an IPX7 rating for water resistance, which means that it can be fully submerged underwater. It can deliver up to 12 hours of wireless playback between charges, and it packs a USB-C connector for charging. Pulse 4 delivers JBL's signature sound in every direction with its ingenious 360-degree speaker array. Light up the night with an amazing high-resolution 360-degree LED light show. Pulse 4 delivers up to 12 hours of party time on a single charge. Satichi USB-C Magnetic Charging Dock. This charging dock by Satichi will allow you to charge an Apple Watch by simply plugging it into a USB-C connector. You can use the accessory with most laptops, countless battery packs, and even a compatible car charger. The gadget is a perfect match for a MacBook and an iPad Pro, especially in space gray. It supports all Apple Watches and model series. Built-in Soundform Smart Speaker and Wireless Charger. The built-in Soundform Elite Hi-Fi Smart Speaker will not only entertain you with amazing sound, but also wirelessly charge your smartphone. The accessory maker teamed up with experts from Debbie Elliott to give the Google Assistant-powered speaker truly remarkable acoustic capabilities. They include the ability to deliver green including bass without any unnecessary vibrations. With a maximum power output of 10 watts, the Soundform Elite Hi-Fi can rapidly charge an iPhone as well as many Android smartphones. Coming up next, some amazing gadgets and products that will blow your mind. So stay tuned because you don't wanna miss them. In the meantime, make sure that you like the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell notification. Thank you. Octis Wireless Gaming Headset. The Octis One wireless gaming headphones by SteelSeries deliver excellent sound and flawless comfort at a reasonable price. They are bundled with a tiny USB-C dongle for wireless connectivity, meaning they are compatible with Nintendo Switch gaming consoles and even Android phones. The headset can connect wirelessly to PlayStation 4 console as well as PC without the dongle. It has an ultra-sensitive detachable microphone that's great for both in-game trash talk and making calls. Furbo Dog Camera. A smart dog camera that lets you see, talk, and even toss a treat to your dog whenever you are away. Furbo's features are designed to keep your dog safe when they are home alone. Real-time and adjustable barking alerts. Unlike cameras that send you general sound alerts, Furbo only notifies you when your dog is barking. You can adjust the sensitivity of the barking sensor to turn it on or off. Real-time smart alerts. Furbo will alert you when your dog is active so you know what's going on at the home. You can also live stream video to monitor your pet on your phone with the 160-degree wide-angle view, day and night. It provides a 1080p Full HD camera and night vision. Toss a treat to your dogs via the free Furbo Android app, fill it with your dog's favorite treats and play a game of catch. Native Union Store Laptop Sleeve. The elegant Native Union Store sleeve for MacBook Pro is made using a tear-resistant material with genuine leather accents. It has a soft interior lining to protect the notebook from scratches. The accessory has a pocket for essential cables and accessories. You can order the sleeve for all MacBook Pro models in two stylish colors, indigo and slate. Sony Walkman MP3 player. The all-new Sony Walkman MP3 player has an excellent audio quality and support for a wide array of audio files, including high-resolution audio content. It also runs on Android. The nifty gadget will also allow you to enjoy music from your favorite streaming services in higher fidelity over a Wi-Fi connection. You can also install apps from the Google Play Store. The device's excellent audio performance comes courtesy of a high-resolution amplifier. The media player has a top-notch battery life, up to 26 hours between charges, expandable storage, and handy buttons for controlling the audio playback. It has a high-resolution audio compatibility and it has a S-Master HX digital amplifier for pure sound quality. Coming up next. Don't go away because there are still a couple of interesting and useful gadgets waiting for you in line. In the meantime, make sure that you subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. Google Pixelbook Go Chromebook. The Google Pixelbook Go is the long-awaited successor of the original Pixelbook. As its name suggests, the reasonably priced Chrome OS laptop is perfect for use on the go. It's thin and insanely lightweight. It weighs only 2 pounds. It also has a textured bottom to prevent it from accidentally slipping out of your hand. It is available in Core M3, Core i5 and Core i7 options. The notebook can last up to 12 hours between battery charges. Nintendo Handheld Gaming Console. The Switch Lite is designed solely for handheld gaming. It has a lightweight design and a more compact 5.5-inch display. Optimized for personal handheld play, Nintendo Switch Lite is a small and Nintendo Switch Lite system. Features a sleek unibody design with fully integrated controls and a built-in control pad. Available in yellow, turquoise, and gray colors. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell is designed to capture what traditional video doorbells can't. Get notified when motion is detected and receive a call on your phone when your doorbell is pressed. See a person from head to toe or a package on the ground with a 180-degree viewing angle. Detailed video in HD with HDR ensures you see the details even in low light or bright conditions. Hear and speak to visitors at your door with clear two-way audio or respond with pre-recorded quick reply messages when you are busy. Receive notifications when motion is detected for people, packages, vehicles, and animals with included 3 months trial of Arlo Smart. Digital Innovations Screen Cleaning Kit. This pro-grade screen cleaning kit will keep the display of your laptop and every other gadget you own spotless. The liquid is safe for all screens, while a bundled antimicrobial microfiber cloth ensures that you always make the most of every spray. There are several Screen Doctor bottle sizes to pick from. Every bottle has a handy storage area for the cleaning cloth, thus ensuring that you will never misplace it. Alcohol and ammonia-free formula is safe to clean LCD, LED, and plasma TV screens and monitors, laptops, tablets, and more. Advanced streak-free solution remove greases, smudges, fingerprints, and dust while leaving an invisible coating with oleophobic and anti-static properties to make the surface easier to clean. Antimicrobial ingredients help prevent regrowth of odor-causing bacteria and microorganisms on the treated surface.